It's KTreyTrades again, and as y'all can see, um, we are live right now in the Discord. We just went live, so as y'all can see, boom. But so we just waiting on the members to join. But here's a 15-minute demand setup that's playing out. Sorry if y'all can't hear me. My mic is in a different position, but um, yeah, man, this just a 15-minute demand that I'm looking at. Actually, this might not even be a 15 minute. This might be a 5 minute. Um, well, actually, shit, it might be 2 30 minutes. I don't fucking know. I can't remember when I drew this. Okay, yeah. So it looks like it's 2 30 minute zones. I don't know why the fuck I put 15 minute right there, but it's looking like the first zone is not gonna hold. But once again, we are only 2 minutes into market open, and and like I said, we have news today, so I'm not really looking to force anything. I'm damn near not even really looking to trade today. Um, as y'all can see, I'm really just chilling. I mean, if something presents itself, I will take it. If I'll be looking for anything, I'll just be following the momentum, to be honest. But right now, we are bullish on the day. As y'all can see, we have been continuing to the upside since yesterday. So I guess we'll see how these zones play out. But like I said, we're just looking at this 15-minute demand. If this one breaks, we'll be looking at the 30-minute one. Um, or if a short present itself, we could be looking for shorts. But like I said, I'm not really forcing anything today. We do have news today, so do not risk your fucking capital. Remember, trading is a business. Remember that. But yeah, man. So that's all I'm looking at for today. I guess we just gonna have to see how the market reacts. We will see what the market will do around 10. Yeah, around 10. So I'll update y'all and let y'all know what's up then. So as y'all can see, it's looking like this first zone is not gonna hold, but that just happens sometimes. But let me tell you, this zone right here would be considered A plus setup. So this would be a day that you would just lose. Like if you were to enter the market, I mean, obviously we just blew right past the zone. So I don't know why you would have just blindly entered the market. But this is considered a plus setup. It still could be. I mean, this candle hasn't even closed yet, so shit, we could goddamn wick all the way back up. But I say that to say that this is an A plus setup because, boom, as you can see before the start of the uptrend, as you can see, we have this red candle. But on the red candle, as you can see, there is a gap. Boom, right there, and boom, right there. We do have a gap in the market. Um, excuse me. So let me try to move this. But yeah, we do have a gap in the market. But even though, like I said, but this is the example on why you don't just blindly enter positions because, like I said, if you want a lower time frame, you can clearly see that. Um, if you were on the lower time frame, I don't think that if you were looking at this zone, you would be looking to enter right here. We're clearly closing below the zone. So, and like I already told y'all, I'm really not looking for looking for a trade today. We do have one more zone right there, so we will see how that one holds. But man, we got news at 10 o'clock, and for the beginners, this is for the beginners. My nigga is just don't trade news. I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you, bro. If you're a beginner, stay away from news. That shit will fuck your account every single time. But yeah, man, that's all I want to say. But I'm just giving y'all an update. Like I told you, we're not in this position. I just wanted to come on here and break down these charts. But like I said, we still it still could close above the zone, even though I don't think that's gonna happen. But um, I think we are gonna go and test this next zone right there and see what that does. But Yeah. So that's what I'm looking for right now. So if we can get a tap into this zone, and if it's after the news, maybe, but as long as it's before 9, I mean, but as long as it's before 10, I'm not looking for anything right now. But hopefully we can get this second zone tapped. But I'm not gonna lie, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Um, my bullish bias on the day is still the same. Only, only if we can close above the EMA on the 5 minute. If we close above the EMA on the 5 minute, I am entering buys, and we just gonna go for a simple 1-to-1 as usual. Like I said, we are 1-to-1 on the week, or 1-and-1 on the week. So if we were to go, actually no, hell no. Let me go put it on this chart instead. Let me go put it on this chart instead. And like I just told y'all, I'm just preparing my entry. I'm not in yet, but like I said, if we can close, let me go ahead and get my shit. Right. Even though this could be a supply setup, but I just like how we rejecting the EMA. So let me go ahead and get my shit ready. Because if we close above the EMA, I'm getting in. So, yeah, that's that. Hopefully this be hopefully it can pull back a little bit for us before. But yeah, man, that's how I'm doing. All right, so I'm getting in off of this move right there. So I'm in right there. So I guess we just gonna have to see how that work. But yeah, so I'm in. We're going for a 1-to-1, going for 50 points. And yeah, I'll update y'all and let y'all know how this goes. All right, so as y'all can see, bro, this trade worked out, or is working out pretty well. We're only a couple points away from the take profit. And this was a simple demand zone. Like I said, we just had to wait and see how news and all that other bullshit was gonna play out. But as of right now, it's looking like a money trade. Like I said, we just gonna wait and see if we can hit TP. But this is day 3 on the 50K funded. We are 1-and-1 this week. If we win today, we're done for the week. We're not trading no more this week. So yeah, man, and I'm gonna update y'all in a second. See, we did have a W day today. We did end up bullish, or we did end up taking buys like I went into the day doing. Once I saw that we rejected the EMA, I already knew where we were going. So that's basically why I took this trade. But let me just show y'all once again what I did to find this trade. Okay, so starting off, I was on the 30-minute chart. Boom. Here is a 30-minute demand zone right there. Boom. I thought this was an A+ zone because, well, this technically was a good zone because it damn near, I don't, never mind, I'm lying. But this would be considered an A+ setup because we have a gap. I don't know if y'all can see, but between right there and right there is a gap. So boom, I thought that this was gonna be an A+ setup, but shit, before I could even blink, nigga, the market was already blown right past this zone and damn near to the next one. So we get rid of that one. Boom. So that zone is no longer valid. But as y'all can see, there is another 30-minute zone, and this one, this one right here. just looks better to me because there was a stronger move to the upside. With this one right here was just one big candle, but with this one there was a continuation of candles to the upside before the pullback. So as y'all can see, market open, pulled back. We got the wick into the zone. I wish that I could have got in right there. We could have caught a fucking banger. We could have caught shit 100 points, but um like I said, this was just a 1-to-1. Um, yeah, this was just a regular 1-to-1. I think we got in like around right there. We got in off the. That's exactly what I got in off of. I got in off of saying that I was gonna get in on the next candle, but yeah, man. So this was a basic supply and demand trade. Y'all can see we just wicked into the zone and pushed to the upside, but it's KTreyTrades. This was day 3 on the funded account. Man, I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting on these videos, bro. I truly do, my nigga. We got at 40 subscribers, bro. This shit means like so much to me, but I really appreciate y'all. And y'all join the Discord, man. The link gonna be in the description. Come cook up with me live, bro. I'm live, bro. I do this shit live, my nigga. Come cook up with me, bro. But I appreciate y'all, love y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.